In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best laser engraver machines available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the laser engraver machines mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Wainlux K10 Precision Laser Engraver. The Wainlux K10 is a compact, fully enclosed laser engraver designed for both DIYers and professionals. Its transparent window allows safe monitoring, while the adjustable focus ensures precise engraving depth. A built-in exhaust fan keeps the workspace clean, and FDA-certified safety features provide peace of mind. Ideal for engraving on wood, leather, and acrylic, it delivers high precision with user-friendly operation. At 50% off, it's a fantastic deal for creators and hobbyists. Number 4, TwoTrees TTS Pro Laser Engraver Cutter. The TwoTrees TTS Pro is a powerful laser engraver and cutter, ideal for wood, acrylic, and stainless steel. Featuring an ultra-fine laser focus, it ensures precise engravings with fast focus adjustments. The easy assembly structure allows a quick setup, while a built-in measuring ruler enhances accuracy. Whether for DIY projects or professional work, this engraver delivers reliable performance. With 55% off, it's an excellent choice for those seeking precision and efficiency in engraving and cutting. Number 3, Mini 3.5W Blue Laser Engraver. This compact Mini 3.5W Blue Laser Engraver is perfect for DIY projects, offering precision with a 0.04mm laser spot. With a 445 ± 5 nm wavelength, it delivers clear, detailed engravings on materials like wood, plastic, paper, leather, acrylic, and glass. Easy to set up with a plug-and-play design, it's ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Whether personalizing gifts or creating intricate designs, this engraver is both versatile and efficient. A 50% discount makes it a budget-friendly option. Number 2, DAJA DJ6 Portable Laser Engraver Cutter. The DAJA DJ6 is a lightweight and portable laser engraver designed for DIY enthusiasts. Featuring precise engraving technology, it includes free heightening columns for versatile carving. The user-friendly setup and instruction manual ensure an easy start, while safety goggles provide protection. Its compact size makes it perfect for home workshops and craft projects. Whether engraving wood, leather, or paper, it delivers quality results. A great tool for hobbyists looking for a reliable engraving machine. Number 1, AlgoLaser DIY Kit High Power Engraver Cutter. The AlgoLaser DIY Kit is a high-power laser engraver designed for both hobbyists and small businesses. With Wi-Fi and mobile compatibility, it offers offline control for seamless operation. Its modular design allows for easy upgrades, and 7 built-in safety functions ensure secure usage. This versatile machine can engrave and cut various materials, making it ideal for creative projects. At 52% off, it's a fantastic investment for those looking to expand their engraving capabilities.